Have you ever waited for an important email only to realize it was hiding in your junk folder the whole time? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to whitelist an email in Outlook in 2025 so your important messages always land right where they belong, your inbox. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Outlook login page. The easiest way is to go through the Microsoft 365 website and hit the Sign In button. Log in with your usual credentials, and if Outlook asks for two-step verification, make sure you have your security information ready. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate to your mail. You'll find it right from your Outlook dashboard. Just click it to open your inbox. Now we'll get into the actual whitelisting process. Look toward the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. That's your settings menu. After it opens, check the left side panel and select Mail. This will take you to all your email related settings, including everything related to junk mail. From here, scroll until you see junk email and click it. This section controls what Outlook labels as junk, and more importantly, what Outlook should never treat as junk. Inside the junk email settings, find the section called Safe Senders and Domains. Think of this as your personal VIP list. Any email address you put here will always be trusted, no questions asked. Click Add and type in the email address or domain you want to whitelist. Make sure everything is spelled correctly. One typo could mean missing the messages you're trying to save. Once you've added the address, finalize it by clicking OK or saving your changes. That's it. From now on, Outlook will make sure emails from that sender go straight into your inbox, safe and uninterrupted. And there you go. A quick and easy guide to whitelisting emails in Outlook for 2025. It's a small step that can save you from a lot of missed messages down the line. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and tell me what other Outlook tips you want to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.